Alaikum. I am Nida Nazim Panjwani after a long time with a new video, the idiom and its advantages. Now, we proceed with new learnings such as cool as cucumber. That means somebody who is very calm and relaxed and does all the work with a very calm behavior. We use it in our daily life. We need to be cool as cucumber for an interview, for the exams. Hot potato. That means something very controversial and very important, which we cannot discuss with any common person. For example, using gun as a hot potato for the political figure. We cannot use it in the way which we can use difficult or controversial thing which is under the carpet. These are the idiom which we use for a prominent figure. Cream of the crop. This means itself that you're talking about something which is best of all. Let's say Annie is the best of all in all the class. Its work is complete. Homework is done. Deadlines are met. That means someone who has the potential to become a best student in the class, and you make it a benchmark for others to find themselves to beat the competition which is constructed by the teacher within the classroom. You can use it for your dressing system as well. Now, a salt of the earth. This is hardly we listen in our daily life. This means which is very simple, honest, and a worth person to be talked about. For example, my boss is a salt of the earth. He is very honest, simple, and I enjoy working for a longer hour under his or her supervision. You can use it for your co-workers as well. Beat around the bush. This means when you are avoiding the main thing which is being discussed in the class, or a teacher asks you to write a creative writing on a certain topic, but you do not focus on it. Rather than that, you discuss all the unimportant and unasked questions in the paper. And then you ask why I am given such a less marks. You means that you are beating about the bush. Common English idiom which we use often. Butterflies in my stomach when you are nervous. Suck as a bug in the rug when you are feeling yourself as a warm and cozy. Once in a blue moon, something which you don't do often. You do it once a time in a life or very seldom. Call it a day. This is a very exciting idiom. Usually we use when we get extra holiday or a off. You can say a sudden off when you're not well or you have other plans to do. You call your boss and say, "Hey George, I am calling a day out." That means you are not coming to your job on a certain day. These are the heating habit idioms. Call the shot. This is another idiom we use. For example, something you have to decide for a plan. Let's say you are holding a farewell party in the school. So you need to call the shot that you have to decide the date, venue, menu and the guest. So you say, we need to call the shots. These are the idioms we use for our school. Once you go back to the school after a long time or maybe after the vacations. A schoolboy error. Someone which is related to your school but it's very senior. A teacher's pet. Somebody who is chocolatey in front of teacher's eye does his all work before the deadline. Old school. Now the schools are being operated in the different standards of the government. But our school is old fashioned. You can say certain sentences. To hit the book, that means you work harder to succeed in the exams. These are the animal idioms we use and relate with the human. I will be providing you a worksheet. You can do and enjoy the worksheet and let me know. For further reference, you may contact me anytime. Signing off, thank you for enjoying my video. Regards.